Hello, I hope you're doing great. Today, I'd like to let you know about a course we are working on. Soon, we are going to release a small course teaching you how to create a dating app in .NET MAUI. So if you have been following all of the .NET trends lately, you know that .NET MAUI is the next step in cross-platform applications. So we are going to teach you how to create one application on that. And it's not only going to be an application in .NET MAUI, but it is going to be an application combining a lot of interesting stuff, like using source code generators to automatically generate a lot of the code that will be really time consuming if you write it manually, right? So you will see that a lot of the code is going to be automatically generated so you can focus on the most functional parts of the application and save a lot of time. We will also have authentication using Azure Active Directory Business to Consumer, Azure AD B2C for short. And we are going to use the Facebook identity provider so that users can import their photos from their Facebook accounts. So you will see a lot of interesting stuff in this. Now, this course is going to be hosted exclusively on Fairplay 2. So if you want to be able to see the course, please remember to create an account. You can go to this fairplaytube.bdicostarica.com. You can click this profile icon and you can sign in or create your account with that same link. Also, please remember to visit or to click the Buy Me a Coffee icon and select a donation of your preference. This will help us keep the videos and products free for you. And the more you help, the more videos or the more frequency we can have recording training videos and creating projects for you. Thank you very much and have a great